Hi there, my name is Jordie. I love art and today I'm excited to share with you about collaging. Collaging is a cool art form that uses pieces from all different kinds of materials to make a larger picture. You can see here how different pieces of different magazines or paper were cut to make the shape of something different. You can use magazines, scraps of paper, markers, paint, anything that you have to create your collage. You're going to need a base. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard, but you can use paper or any other thing that you have. This is also a great opportunity to practice recycling, like using part of an old cereal box or a popcorn box. Whatever base you choose, that's your canvas to express yourself however you want. You can fill your board with things that reflect what you want to be when you grow up, or your favorite food. Maybe you have a favorite fashion artist and you want to express yourself through that. My collage is going to be full of my favorite kind of plants. For this project, you'll need different kinds of magazines to look through, or some old newspapers. You'll need scissors and glue or tape. I've poured my glue into a little dish and I'll be using a paintbrush to spread it, but you can use whatever you have. After you and a grown-up cut out all your pieces, it's time to start collaging. Once you're finished with your collage, make sure you pick up your workspace so it's nice and neat for next time. Once your collage is totally dry, you can turn it around to write your name and today's date on it. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I hope you had a great time and that your collage truly reflects the things that are important to you. Have a great day!